FanDuel Racing bet on horses, live odds, and horse betting app. One of the top apps alongside with DraftKings Better app. So from the leader in daily fantasy and US sportsbooks comes FanDuel Racing, live streaming for 300 plus tracks. Use existing FanDuel Sportsbook, Casino, and DFS login credentials. And yeah, it's not available in all United States. So there is a specific number of states where it's available, unfortunately, and it's only available in US. So if you're outside of US, not gonna work. And yeah, then you can just see where it's available, all of the states in here. um, Log in with any FanDuel app credentials, complete the simple verification, and you're off to the races. FanDuel Racing puts horse racing in your pocket 365 days a year. Don't miss out on the fun, including unforgettable events from Saratoga, Del Mar, and Santa Anita. Big days for across the globe.